New tonight, dozens are rushing to sign up for the health department's Hurricane Registry.
Time is quickly running out. News 3's Kelly Antonacci shows us who is eligible.
Strong winds like this have the health department in storm mode.
Number one, we don't want to wait until the last minute when a hurricane is possibly barreling down on us.
As Hurricane Florence creeps closer,
we're continuing to watch the storm along with everyone else. So it's really hard to say at this point. But right now, we're wide open.
And so is the Hurricane Registry. It's a way for residents with transportation or medical needs to board a bus headed to a shelter in Augusta, ready to help.
A shelter that's really set up for individuals with functional limitations, but you still have about 20 to 40 square feet around your cot. There are public health nurses that work alongside the Red Cross nurses that staff those shelters.
To get approved, you can't have any available resources in the area.
No family, no friends, no church members, no neighbors, no one.
It's important if you need help eating, taking medication, or dressing. When winds are too strong, EMS crews don't come out. 366 residents in 8 counties are registered, including 212 in Chatham County. That number now rapidly growing.
We're opening up more phone lines to be able to accept calls, but if individuals have trouble getting through, again, they can download that application on our website.
That was Kelly Antonacci reporting.